The Cornell Method is a note-taking method with a simple, elegant structure. It is based on the idea that people remember information organized in an easy-to-follow format. All you need is a series of lines on your paper, label each section, and start note-taking. The Cornell Method is great for creating organized notes that are easy to revise and reference. The Cornell Method allows students to focus their note-taking on specific concepts and skills. The Cornell Method is a clear structure to follow, resulting in an organized set of notes. The Cornell Method can help you quickly identify information in your notes. The main note-taking section is the largest column, taking up 70% of your paper. Use this main note-taking section to make all the notes you write during class. Try to distill your notes into the most important messages, concepts and keywords. Short sentences, paraphrasing and abbreviations will help you note all the important information. The Q section is a column for keywords and questions. Use the Q section to write keywords or phrases to summarize the main points. For the best results, complete this immediately after class while information is fresh in your mind. The summary section is a horizontal section at the bottom of the page for important ideas. The summary is for ideas, topics, concepts or facts important to your area of research and focus. Ask yourself what the most interesting piece of information was from the lecture. Write the interesting information in the summary section. The header section is a horizontal section across the top of the page for reference information. The header is for descriptive detail about the lecture, e.g. time, place, lecturer, subject. My top tip 1 is to make notes in your own words, keeping your notes short and concise. Top tip 2 is to use shorter sentences when you can to record the main ideas and topics. Top tip 3 is to use symbols and abbreviations to help avoid writing down full sentences. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on note-taking methods.